What is the worst thing you've overheard while pretending to be asleep? My mom trying to calm my dad down out of a suicidal fit. When I was about 11, my brother and I were typical annoying kids, constantly pushing our dad's buttons. One day we were especially bad, and when he grounded us, we yelled that we hated him and wanted him to go away. That night, I pretended to be asleep when my dad, who I later figured out was blackout drunk, came into our room. He stood there, silent at first, then started to sob, deep, painful sobs that I can still hear to this day. He stumbled out, and from the hallway I heard him pleading with my mom, begging her to let him die. Through his tears, he said, "All I've ever wanted was to be a better dad than mine." Hearing that shattered me. I realized how much our words had hurt him. I lay there, tears streaming down my face, feeling like the worst person in the world. I was crying so hard I almost threw up, not just because of what I heard, but because I knew we had caused his pain. Now, whenever I think about it, I message my dad to tell him I love him. I hope he's forgotten that night, but as a dad myself now, I doubt that he did.